welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing well. My name is Jagrati and I am a cabin crew. So today this video is going to be all about cabin crew profession, their advantage and disadvantage. I'm going to talk about pros and cons of being a cabin crew. So yep, stay tuned in the video. I'm gonna talk all good stuff because why not? This profession has a lot to provide to others, and this profession has also helped me a lot in order to get my independency and financial stability. So of course cabin crew profession, indeed it's a best thing for that. 12th के साथ आप एक अच्छा जॉब ले सकते हो with decent amount, which is not, I won't say handsome package, but decent amount के साथ आपको ये job provide होती है. With minimum education you are doing quite good. Along with that you are exploring the place. अगर हम देखें तो कैबिन क्रू की जो सैलरी, इट्स नॉट दैट फिक्स्ड अमाउंट विच यू गेट एवरी मंथ. इट्स लाइक टोटली डिफरेंट. आपका फ्लाइंग अलाउंस, आपका बेसिक, आपका लेव अलाउंस, एंड अलॉन्ग विथ ऑल दैट आपको जो एक्सपोजर मिलता है प्लेसेस घूमने का, ट्रैवल का, दीज थिंग्स आर amazing. It like no other job provides, no other job pays you for travel which cabin crew earns. So it is indeed very good. Once a crew always a crew. The kind of exposure you get, the kind of people you are surrounded with, it does gives a lot of impact on your life. Okay, you stay in hotel, आपको जो lifestyle मिलती है, आप चीजें देखते हो, चीजें सीखते हो. If you get international layover, आपको बहुत सारी चीजें जानने को मिलती है. Because the more you travel, the more आपका intellect बढ़ता ही है. आपके life का जो experience होता है, you have quite a lot to share with people. तो वो जो चीजें हैं वो आपको other job में नहीं मिलेगी. This job requires extra attention from you, definitely, but at the same time this job makes sure that you grow in your life as well. Even if you are a crew for domestic airline, आप इंडिया ही घूम रहे हो, इंडिया is not less diverse than any other country. I mean, आप पूरे नॉर्थ से साउथ घूमते हो, या it's a big deal. तो मुझे लगता है कि cabin crew job has lots and lots of good thing to provide. Also the best thing is कि आपको बहुत minimum education में ये job मिलती है. You just need to have better communication, all the skills required for crew you just need to have, and you are good to go. आपका जो traveling है that is free. It's a big deal because अगर आज के डेट में हम देखें तो travel is very expensive. If you are looking for air travel, it is expensive. But one thing which I always find better, that not only you get to travel free, but your parents, your friends, they get to travel free as well, which is indeed a big thing, hands down for that. Because I have 5 members in my family, all of them can travel free. You just need to pay tax. The tax would be probably 700, 800, that's it. For international as well, जैसे कि Hong Kong, तो Hong Kong के लिए for the ticket you just need to pay 5,000 for international trip. That, and even if you're married, parents-in-law and your husband, your children will get all these services. These things are there for cabin crew profession. मुझे लगता है कि ये चीजें बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छी है, luxury है. Let's talk about what all cons are there for this job. Of course, we all know this job requires extra attention. जैसे कि midnight flight होती है, you have to be available for the duty. Even if you have off, you cannot go anywhere because जैसे कि एक होता है ना कि rosters में हमारे आते हैं off and sometimes no duty. So you cannot utilize those no duties into your vacation because it is showing no duty, but they can pull you out for flight. You cannot take even last minute report sick. अगर आप वो करते हो तो you have to have valid reason. Last minute report sick पे they will call you at the base. So it's not that you are going to get escape from that. उसके साथ साथ आपका health भी है. If you are particular about what you eat, how you manage your health, do you drink, do you smoke, आपका lifestyle सही है, you can manage to have healthy lifestyle. But बहुत सारी ऐसी चीजें हैं which you cannot ignore as a cabin crew, जैसे कि लॉन्ग फ्लाइट हो गए, अल्ट्रा लॉन्ग हॉल फ्लाइट हो गए, फॉर इंटरनेशनल फ्लाइट फॉर दैट मैटर, जिसमें यू आर लिटरली डिहाइड्रेटेड एंड यू द एनवायरनमेंट ऑफ कैबिन इज टोटली आर्टिफिशियल ऑक्सीजन एंड लेस ह्यूमिडिटी. तो ना ये सारी चीज़ें आपके बॉडी पे ज़रूर इफेक्ट डालती है. अगर आप डोमेस्टिक क्रू है, continuously take off landing has a bad effect on your body. You cannot fly a cabin crew, or even as a passenger you should not fly if you have cold, because it can literally rupture your eardrum. Off landing में जो phases होते हैं उसकी वजह से it disturbs that. You cannot afford to fly if you have severe cold. But we as a cabin crew, do we have a chance to say, oh literally I have a cold, I cannot go for flight because of this reason? जितना आपको वो रिपोर्ट से करना है ये आपके लिए इतना हेक्टिक हो जाएगा कि यू विल बी लाइक अरे यार छोड़ो, अब मैं क्या ही करूँ, यू हैव टू गो फ्लाइट कर लेते हैं. System has been like this रिपोर्ट से कोल्ड के लिए भी करोगे आप, ऑल यू नीड इज यू जस्ट नीड टू रेस्ट. लेकिन कंपनी, what will company ask you to do is you go to hospital, you bring doctor prescription medicines and everything, whatever you have taken, what you have done on your report say. अगर आप बीमार हो तो डॉक्टर के पास जाओ. Nobody goes for cold to doctor. I don't go. If I have cold, all I need is rest, that's it. I don't go to doctor, but company demands it because they don't want you to give free leaves like anything. So ये सारी चीजें हैं जो कि आपको ध्यान में रखने की होती हैं. Biggest and bad which I would say is आपके leaves. Festival में if you are thinking that you are going to enjoy your festival with your parents as a cabin crew, no, big no, because फेस्टिवल टाइम में ट्रैवल इतना हेक्टिक हो जाता है, एक टाइम पीरियड होता है जो कि ब्लॉक हो जाता है जिसमें आप लीव्स के लिए अप्लाई नहीं कर सकते हो. मोस्टली इट कम्स ड्यूरिंग क्रिसमस, न्यू ईयर, दिवाली, छठ, होली, ऑल दीज फेस्टिवल्स में ना आपका वो बंद हो जाता है. What's the point of earning? What's the point of doing all this when you cannot enjoy your festival with your loved ones? Which is, I think, big no. If you are a family person, if you have a family, have a husband, you're living with your in-laws, you have kids, for those lady it is highly difficult, I would say, until you get such parents which are totally supportive and they understand that हाँ आपका ये profession है. But most of the time it is going to get difficult, not even if you have a supportive family, because आपका जो routine होता है it's not 9 to 5. आप रात को जा रहे हो, आपकी रात की फ्लाइट है, अगर लेओवर्स होगे तो 2 दिन आप बाहर ही रहोगे. रात को फ्लाइट है तो पूरा दिन आपको रेस्ट करना है, विच इज नॉट पॉसिबल. अगर आप पूरा दिन रेस्ट नहीं कर रहे हो, रात को आपकी लॉन्ग फ्लाइट है, देन यू आर पुटिंग योर बॉडी इनटू लॉट ऑफ स्ट्रेस विच इज नॉट गुड फॉर योर बॉडी. देयर टू प्लीज योर फैमिली, you are there to please your relationships, but you know this job requires those attentions, जिसकी वजह से बहुत सारे clashes भी होते हैं. You get leaves as well. ऐसा नहीं है कि आप पूरे दिन, महीने के 30 दिन आप फ्लाई कर रहे हो. You get good amount of leaves as well. If you are international crew, अगर आप domestic crew हो, then तो it's like bad because company can utilize you for 6 takeoff. If you are doing like very short flight, demands you to go for 6 sectors, which I as a crew feels like hell, because every time you are taking off landing, and उससे भी बुरा तो boarding है. Like boarding the passengers and deplaning becomes more hectic for me, and these things has very bad effect on your body. Cabin crew के ये कुछ sides है, I thought I should tell you all. No doubt this job has given so much to so many people, but this job comes with all these things which you might want to consider if you are coming to this industry. Payment wise, of course this is good. पैसे अच्छे हैं, आपको घूमने को मिलता है, आपको travel free है, all this luxury you have. You get to travel, you get to see the world, which is, I would say, biggest luxury of someone. Along with that, all these things comes, which is also, I think people should consider. Just thought to share all these points. वैसे तो बहुत सारी चीजें हैं, very minute, so I thought to ignore this. मेरे लिए यही 3-4 चीजें हैं जो कि मुझे लगता है it has to be said. So yep. So that's it for today's video. I hope it helped. I hope it gave some information to you all. Also, I'm not saying you cannot go for this profession. If it's your dream, you should go for it, because I am in this profession and I am loving it. But कुछ कभी ना आपका थोड़ा mental state ऐसा होता है that you know, yeah, is it worth? I cannot be with my family. I cannot do this, that. So ये सारी चीजें भी होती है which you might want to consider. However, if you like this video, do subscribe my YouTube channel, share it with your friends and family. Also let me know if you want to see more of such content. You can give me suggestions in comment box. See you all in next video. Take care. Bye bye.